Curious about how your web page will appear in Google's search results? Let's dive into the Google SERP Preview Simulator. This handy tool lets you visualize your web page's title, URL, and meta description before it goes live on Google. Available at Sahil Ram Online 2024 Google SERP Preview Simulator, this tool is your go-to for perfecting your SERP appearance. Let's take a closer look. Enter your title, URL, and meta description here. Instantly, the simulator gives you a preview of how it will appear in search results. Check your preview on the right. See exactly how your web page will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Need to tweak your title or description? No problem. Adjust it here and see your changes reflected instantly in the preview. When you're happy with your preview, save it or share it with your team for a final review. And that's it. You've just optimized your web page's appearance on Google using the Google SERP Preview Simulator. Visit Sahil Ram Online 2024 Google SERP Preview Simulator to optimize your search engine results today.